hiked before, I've camped before, but I'd never put the two together. Carrying everything I needed on my back and heading into the woods to spend the night. So this was about to be a first for me. So this is happening, my first ever backpacking trip. I'm picking up my friend from the airport, then we are driving to Muskoka, staying there for a night, and then next morning, which is tomorrow, we will be in Algonquin Provincial Park. I did trip with Algonquin Adventure Tours. We were supposed to be 3 people, but one friend had to cancel. So now it's just 3 of us, me, my friend from Baltimore, and the guide. And I'm taking you guys with me. Tonight Muskoka, tomorrow into the woods.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Yay!
All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So we have arrived at the hotel and now I'm gonna freshen up and then I'll meet my friend Jose in the lobby in an hour. So we can go and have early dinner and sleep early so we can rise early tomorrow morning and be, not tired for our trip because we both are very tired today and we would like to be well rested for tomorrow. It's gonna be a big day, but it's gonna be amazing. We both are very, very excited. So I'll go freshen up and I'll see you in some time. Good morning. It's such a beautiful day to go backpacking. Like, look at the weather outside. It's so sunny, bright, and nice. So I just had coffee. I don't know what Jose is doing, but we decided to leave at 9:40 instead of 9 for breakfast first and then heading to the backpacking trail. We need to be there by 11:45, but it's not that far. It's like 36 minutes from here and breakfast place is 4 minutes from here. We do have breakfast included in the hotel, but I want to go to this place. It's called Little Place something. And I've heard the breakfast there is really good. So that's what we are going to do. And then we'll head out to the trail. I'm super excited. I did not sleep well. I don't know why, but it's good. Really looking forward to it. So a few weeks back, I went hiking at Killarney, and the amount of mosquito bites I had, I can't even begin telling you how bad it was. So this time I brought these rich pants from Mac, and I'm really hoping it would be better. So my legs are not exposed, and these are airy, and these are like full length and not black or blue. I wanted lighter color, but they didn't have any, so I had to do with this. And I sprayed sunscreen all over my t-shirt, so it looks like it's pretty dirty, but it's just sunscreen. I don't have any more extra t-shirts, so this is what I'm gonna wear now. Next time, I'll be mindful of where I'm spraying my sunscreen. But that's it. We're about to leave now.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
And now it was finally time to start the part of the trip I've been looking forward to. We had everything we needed for the next few days packed up, and now there was no turning back. It was time to see what my first backpacking trip was actually going to be like.
So we are around 6.5 kilometers in. Tired. We took breaks, but it's going pretty well. Are we like 6.7? 6.7. This section is much easier.
Yeah, so far so good.
Don't tell me if there's another hill.
Probably.
Okay.
Like, you're gonna.
And finally, after hiking all those kilometers, we made it to our campsite. Maggie Lake was going to be home for the next couple of nights. The first thing we did when we arrived was filter water from the lake. And then we had set up our tents and finally got to settle in. After hiking in that heat and humidity, getting into that lake felt so good.
Look at the view.
After swimming in the lake, we made a fire, had dinner, and eventually crawled into our tents for the night.
Okay, so I am in the tent now, and it's been a good day. It's strange, but I'm not tired at all. I'm sore, very sore, but not tired. I'm gonna try to fall asleep. I feel it's a very small tent, so I'm gonna probably open the rain fly to get some air in. That's it. I am gonna see you guys tomorrow morning.
I woke up around 5 in the morning while everyone else was still asleep. I made a fire, took down our bare hang, made myself some coffee, and enjoyed it by the lake.
Good morning. So, I don't know if you can tell, but I injured my nose. So, a month back, I injured this. It was a scratch. It was supposed to get better in few days, but it's been a month. It didn't go away. And last night, my headlamp, it automatically loosened up and fell on my nose, and I've hurt the bridge of my nose. I don't know when it will go now, but I have polysporin, so I've used that. I do have a band-aid, but it's not needed. I'm hoping it will go away. It should. It's very small, but after seeing this one, which hasn't gone away in a month, I don't know. I've stopped saying it will go away. We'll see. Hello again, guys. I had good breakfast, and now I'm just chilling on the hammock. And then we will hike to a creek, stay there, maybe have lunch there, or come back and have lunch here and just relax. It's pretty relaxing now. I'll go for another swim, maybe in an hour before we head out, or later. I don't know. Maybe in the afternoon after lunch.
But yeah, so far so good. This view! I love this view. After spending some time at Mink Creek, enjoying the view and having some snacks, we headed back to camp. I'm about to reach back to the campsite and I cannot wait to jump into the water. That's the first thing I'm gonna do. Right into the water. Really looking forward to it. As soon as we got to camp, I jumped straight into the water and later my friend joined me as well. We spent the rest of the evening by the fire, had dinner, and enjoyed our last night at camp. The next morning, I decided to end the vlog here before packing so I could pack my camera in my bag. When I started this trip, I thought my first backpacking experience would be mostly about the hiking. But looking back, it's the little things I remember most. Carrying everything I needed with me, getting water from the lake, waking up surrounded by trees, having coffee beside the water, and realizing that I really didn't need very much to have a very good day. This was my first backpacking trip, and I don't think it will be my last.